Your child can't sleep because of cough? This bedtime remedy works wonders. Night coughs are worst because when lying down, mucus drips into the throat. This triggers more coughing. Let's fix it. Solution 1. Elevate their head. Put an extra pillow under the mattress, not under their head. This creates a gentle slope and stops mucus from dripping. Solution 2. Give honey before bed. For kids over 1 year, 1 teaspoon of pure honey coats the throat and stops the cough. Natural and effective. Solution 3. Steam before bed. Sit with them in a steamy bathroom for 10 minutes. This loosens the mucus naturally. Bonus. Use a humidifier in their room. Keeps air moist all night. Try these tonight and they'll sleep peacefully. Save this.